Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Rookie the Pro FRS, and I'm your driver, Lovin's President. Now, I was able to go to Las Vegas, Nevada, and go to 86 speed to talk to them about getting a turbo kit.
Hey, how you doing? I'm Malin.
Hey, this is the owner of 86 Speed, and he was able to help me get my first turbo kit. I've been waiting for this for a long time. He was awesome, great customer service, helped me educate me about the kit and everything. So I can't wait for you guys to see it. I just want to say thank you.
Very welcome.
Oh yeah, and
I'm glad we can help you, and we recommend that to a lot of customers. Like, call us. We'll help you determine what options are better. There's like the things we talked about with the research and why you need that and why you don't need it. If you want the coating or if you don't want coating, stuff like that. We're here to help.
Trust me. So hit them up, and you will be satisfied. I guarantee it.
A launch edition. Number 281 and 1500. I would say in the country right now, there's probably getting close to about 1,000 people that have them.
New Supra. Whew. Oh dang.
What do you think compared to an FRS? We haven't even gone anywhere yet.
Oh yeah.
What do you think?
Honestly, it's comfortable. I like that, and it's a little more spacious. I'm a tall guy, so that's perfect for me.
You think it resembles the FRS by any chance?
Yeah, it has a little bit of the characteristics. Wow, this thing sounds so good.
Yeah, it's still stock.
Yeah, it's still stock.
Yeah, it comes with a 3-inch and 3-inch exhaust. Mm-hmm. There's some spots where it's bent, and I think the turbo is like a 4-inch piping off the turbo. I mean, it's like set up for aftermarket.
Oh yeah, it's ready, just like the FRS was. But I think this already has a.
Yeah, this is the graduated version.
Yeah, the graduated. Loving the digital gauges and everything. Wow.
Yeah, you hear the little pops.
Yeah.
Just a little gurgle.
So you have it in sport mode?
It's in sport mode. That's the way you gotta drive it. That's the way you have to do it. With sport mode, you get a little bit of sound through the subwoofers back here. The fake sound. I haven't seen anybody talking about that yet on YouTube. Okay. I'm gonna try to figure out how to disconnect that. A lot of us, I think it's annoying.
Yeah. I think they had that on the FRS too. I want to get rid of that as well.
Yeah.
I'm glad you let me come over and see it.
Oh yeah, glad to have you. We always, whenever you were there. Some guy was from where was he from? Brazil. Came and visited us.
Yeah, I was.
We get people all the time. The car, the 86 was a global car. This is a global car. So we'll be selling parts all over the world for this too.
That's good.
Yeah, so I can downshift fast like this myself.
Oh my goodness. Oh my god.
Just do it from the start.
Shoot. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh.
Different, huh? The stuff we were telling you, like there's guys that just yesterday, 2-3 weeks into the car, I don't know how much time they have into it, but you're gonna be able to make this car go into the 10 seconds for like $3,000. Done. That's not our goal. We're gonna bring in a lot of accessories and stuff for the car.
Of course.
We'll let the tuners and the guys that modify the stuff deal with it. But yeah. So, all right, guys, subscribe to this guy. He's eager and to keep building his channel up.
Oh yeah.
stay tuned for his build on his JDL turbo kit.
Oh yeah, thank you for that. Thank you for that. And you guys make sure you check him out too. Check out the company.
The new channel is Speed Industry. So
yep.
check that out. A lot of stuff will be intermixed with the Supra. Plus we got some stuff planned for our BRZ, WRXs, and some other cars and stuff like that. We're going to be doing Axleback soon from Remark on the WRX STI. We're going to be doing some Corolla hatchback stuff. So we got a lot of stuff coming.
I'll make sure I put it in the link in the bio. Thanks for tuning in, guys.